Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're learning about customizing dashboard widgets in Asana, a skill essential for efficient project management. To kick off, log into your Asana account and navigate to your dashboard. This step is vital as the dashboard is your command center for all your project needs. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate the Customize button on the upper right corner. Clicking on this button will open up a plethora of options to tailor your dashboard to your preferences. The reason we do this is to ensure that you have all the necessary widgets at your fingertips, enhancing your productivity. Next up, you'll see a list of available widgets. Here, you can add, remove, or rearrange widgets as per your needs. To add a widget, simply drag and drop it onto your dashboard. This helps us because it enables you to prioritize the project aspects that matter most to you. After arranging the widgets, you may want to resize them. Hover over the widget's corner until your cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, then click and drag to adjust the size. Let me explain why this matters. Resizing widgets allows you to allocate more screen space to the more critical project elements. Lastly, you can customize the content of each widget. Click on the cogwheel icon on the widget and select Settings. Here, you can change the data source, filter the data, or adjust the display settings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This customization helps you monitor specific project details, keeping you on top of your game. And there you have it. You've just personalized your dashboard widgets in Asana. Remember, your dashboard is your project's cockpit, and customizing it can significantly boost your workflow efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.